Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and turn on the business account on TikTok. If you are running a shop on TikTok, if you're selling items, if you are doing a lot of live streams, having a business account, it's a huge advantage because you're gonna get a lot of different sets of analytics and you will be able to understand much better your audience. Let's launch the TikTok app and let me show you where to look at. So the first thing you want to go is to click on the lower right corner, so you will launch your landing page on your account. Then you want to click on the upper right and click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. And when you're over here, you want to click on account, the first option. Then you see there is a small section in the middle of the screen. It says switch to business account. When you click on it, you will have an option to switch. So you gain access to Business Suite and all the fancy tools. Like I said, you're gonna get options to promote your videos, to promote the products that you're selling. You're gonna grasp much better understanding of what does well as a content on your page and what you shouldn't post more of it. Okay? For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.